Mr. Eric McIntosh here is trying to get this thing stay up. Come on, Eric. Alright. That's the lowest you could go.
I got higher the first time.
There you go. Got the tape? I got the tape right here. Oh, fuck. There you go, Eric. Alright, here's the lighter, sir. Eric.
Back up.
My arm is stuck.
I don't think I should light this, but whatever.
And he's holding the crutches. Dude, how are you gonna run away? Oh my god. I feel so bad watching this. I should have been doing it myself. Eric, I could light it for you. Fuck. Dude, run! Run!